In this video, I'm going to show you how you can for free download a lot of Instagram videos. Very easy, guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Let's try you wanna download this video over here. All you gotta do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then I want you to copy the link over here. Then after we have the link copied on the clipboard, I want you to go on Google and look for this website over here. It's called snapinsta.app. You want to click on it, then you want to go over and paste the link from the video that we download. Then we want to click on download, okay? Let's see how fast this website will be able to actually process the information. Well, guess what? The video is over here. Now we can simply download the video and essentially do whatever we would like with the video. This is how simple it is to download the videos from Instagram for free. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.